Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, then thank you for stopping by. So today I have a really exciting unboxing that I wanted to share with you guys. It's something that I've wanted for a really long time. I was recently accepted into grad school and I've been in class now for about a month. So this was sort of my congratulations gift to myself. So anyway, I don't want this video to be really long, so I'm gonna go ahead and get right to it. I'm sure as soon as you see the bag, you're gonna know what I got. Especially if you've watched any of my other videos, you're gonna know because I'm a creature of habit. Hope I can get it in frame. Dun, da, da, da. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Like, I can't believe I got this bag. Okay, so let me get this big boy out of the bag here. Okay, so here's the box. The box is huge. Has the beautiful blue ribbon. Pardon these nails. Has the beautiful blue Louis Vuitton ribbon. And I'm sure you already know by the size and shape of this box, because there are a million of these videos already on YouTube, you probably already know which bag I went with. So let me see if I can get it in frame and keep it balanced at the same time. So this is the box, and it just opens up and has a big magnetic closure. And then the bag is inside. And then there's my envelope with the receipt in it. You guys don't want to see that. That's so boring. Nobody cares about the receipt. I don't know why everybody shows it. It's a receipt, people. No one cares. And here is the bag. Well, it's the bag that's over my bag. So the dust bag is super nice. It's made out of this really thick cream colored, like a flannel cotton. It's really soft. It's very protective. So as you probably already know by now which bag I chose to get, I got the Neverfull MM, but can you guess what canvas I got? I went with the monogram. Oh, I love this print so much. It is my favorite, my absolute favorite. Look how beautiful she is. Oh my gosh, I am so, like, literally in love right now. Oh my gosh. I can't stand it. She's so beautiful. So I chose to go with the monogram print because it's very classic and neutral, and it goes with everything. I also decided to go with the beige interior because, again, beige matches everything. And I really like the colorful interiors, but I just really thought I would get tired of that pop of color after a while. So what I wanted was something that would match no matter what I had on. Also, the other reason was because on the pochette that comes with the Neverfull tote, if you get a bag that has a colorful interior, that color is on the zipper here. So if I wanted to use this clutch for a dressier outfit, I didn't want that pop of color showing through because I just felt like that made it look really casual. So anyway, it has the LV on the zipper pull here. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's kind of, the light's kind of blinding you. Okay, it's not gonna show up because it's damn light. Anyway, but it has LV on both sides of the zipper. The zippers are amazing. They're so soft. The interior of the pochette is the same color as the interior of your bag. It has a little vachetta tab right here. This one was made in the USA, which doesn't bother me. I don't care if they're not made in France. The majority of the Neverfulls are made in the USA now. Unless you live overseas, then your bag is more than likely going to be made in the USA. However, a lot of the Damier Azurs are still coming from France. I have noticed that. So, but the monograms and the Ebens are mostly coming out of the USA. Anyway, so the only thing that's in here is the little card that tells you what it is, and it tells you the style number. So if you want to order this particular bag, that's the style number. And then I also, my sales guy, my SA, put his card in here. If you're ever in the Houston Galleria area, he is amazing. His name is Tony Little. isn't that a funny name? Tony Little, and he is in the Houston Galleria Louis Vuitton store. So stop by and visit him. I promise you, that guy has the patience of Job. I made him pull out so many bags it wasn't even funny. And then I made him pull out every single one of these bags that they had in their inventory so I could look at all of them and compare. And he was so patient. Like, he never one time made me feel like I was wasting his time or like I needed to hurry up already. None of that. So on the inside, there is a D-ring right here, and that is what the pochette is attached to. These bags do not have much security. Now, you can fasten them right here, but you know, that's not really, I mean, it does shut it somewhat, but if someone's going to steal something, that's definitely not enough to deter a thief. So I purchased a pashmina scarf that is coming in the mail, and I plan on just kind of like keeping that on the inside of my bag, laying on top of all of my things. And then it's also going to serve a dual purpose. It's also going to serve as a extra form of protection if it happens to be raining outside when I leave work, or if, you know, whatever the case may be, and I have my purse on my shoulder, then I'll just take my scarf and I'll just drape it over my bag, and then it'll give it that added level of protection. I also have some Apple Guard on the way, and I plan on spraying it with Apple Guard because I definitely don't want any water spots on this baby. And I love the vachetta, and I love the way it looks when it starts to patina. I know a lot of people don't like that look, but I happen to love it. And so I just really want it to patina evenly, and I want it to patina mostly because of like the air and the sun, not because my hands are touching it and making it, you know, get oily or whatever and darken prematurely. So the Apple Guard helps to prevent it from patinaing too quickly. Anyway, so back to the interior of the bag. I'm kind of all over the place because I'm so excited. So the MM, that's what this size is. First, let me just say, I did choose to go with the MM size. I had every intention when I went inside the store of getting the GM. Like, I already had my mind set. I knew I wanted the GM size because in other videos that I had watched of the Neverfull MM, they looked small, and sometimes they looked like a decent size, but then on a lot of them they looked small. So when I got in the store and I actually tried the GM on, it swallowed me. Like, it just looked ridiculous. It looked like I was ready to just like go to the airport. It strictly looked like a travel bag for me. And so I tried the MM on, and it was an absolute perfect fit. Like, it's not small at all. And what I've come to realize is on the ones where they look small, it's because they have a bag organizer in it. And when they have the bag organizer in it, it makes it look like this. So then it looks like it's not as wide. And so I did end up going with the MM. It has this pocket on the interior, this zip pocket. This is where you can put your wallet if you don't feel, you know, like it's going to be secure enough inside your bag. So it has this really large zipper compartment. This is the price if you are curious, and that is in US dollars. I don't know what that converts to in other countries like Canada or anywhere else, but that's what it is in US dollars. Also, I'm not sure if many of you are aware of this, but this pocket does not actually go all the way down to the very bottom here. So when you put your hand in the pocket, my finger stops about right there. So all this is not usable space. So even my essay was not aware of that. So I saw that on another YouTube video, and I thought, I wonder if that's just her bag or if it's a fake. And then when I was in the store, I looked, and sure enough, they don't go all the way down to the bottom. So the pocket is not quite as large as the flap is. Yeah, so I'm super excited about this bag. I just wanted to share with you guys which one I got. And I do plan on doing a 2 or 3 week review after I have treated it with Apple Guard, and you know, and I'll let you guys see what it looks like, and you can see, you know, that it doesn't change the color of the vachetta. It doesn't affect the bag adversely in any way. And yeah, I'm trying to think if there's anything else I'm missing. Um, they were really, really nice in the Louis Vuitton store. I will say that I haven't always had the best experience at the Louis Vuitton store at the Galleria Mall. There were a couple of times that I had gone in there and like I didn't even have people acknowledge me. And then I called client services to ask them a few questions because I didn't want to go into the store just because of kind of how frigid everybody acted. And I happened to mention to them that the customer service there wasn't exactly up to par with what it should be for, you know, a store where you're purchasing luxury items. And so I don't know if they said something to them, but when I went in there the day that I actually went in and purchased my bag, every single person that walked past me, all of the associates greeted me. They asked me if I needed anything. You know, they offered me something to drink. They offered my son something to drink. So, yeah, so maybe they said something to them and they're going to be a little friendlier now. But anyway, so if you happen to be in the Houston area and you're in the market for a Louis Vuitton, then definitely stop by, ask for Tony. He's amazing. He has the patience of Job, like I said. He's super nice. I can try to do a modeling shot for you. I don't have a lot of room here, so let me see if I can get. So I'm 5'4", and I don't weigh very much. I'm about 119 pounds, and look how big the bag looks on me. Like, this is the perfect size. Like, it's the perfect size, and I can still like put it off of my shoulder and put it back on easily without my, you know, arm getting caught up on it. I did like that. So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have an Neverfull and how much you love it, or if you have any problems with it, let me know. If I need to look out for certain things. Anyway, I hope you all have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye.